Sumerians knew more than we thought. They weren't just temple scribes and astronomers, they were early clinicians. Over 4,000 years ago, the Sumerians documented over 250 plant-based remedies, many still relevant in modern herbal medicine and pharmacognosy. One of the earliest? Willow bark, used for fevers and pain long before we isolated salicin, now the backbone of aspirin. They didn't know coax enzymes, but they understood inflammation. Myrrh, another staple, was prescribed for infected wounds. Today, we confirm its broad-spectrum antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory activity, validated in studies against Staphylococcus aureus and Candida albicans. They used licorice root to soothe coughs and inflammation. Now we know glycyrrhizin modulates cortisol and supports mucosal healing, though we must also monitor for pseudoaldosteronism in sensitive patients. Coriander seeds were a treatment for digestive upset. Science now links its oils to reduced gut motility and antispasmodic effects, supporting its traditional use in IBS-type symptoms. Perhaps most striking, their use of poppy extracts. Not just ritual, clinical. A clear recognition of opiate-derived analgesia, millennia before modern pharmacology. The Sumerians practiced a whole-body approach, documenting symptom clusters, dosing strategies, and botanical synergies. They were clinicians, observing patterns and therapeutic responses without the tools we take for granted. For us today, whether we wear a white coat or blend botanical tinctures, there's wisdom in revisiting these origins. Because ancient medicine isn't obsolete, it's foundational. Follow for more clinically relevant and evidence-based herbalism stories. This video is for educational purposes only.